princess of Cheke Kingdom that you were asking after.
Yes, the beautiful one.
Collins.
Are you surprised?
Of course I am.
You shouldn't be. We're family, remember?
I know. But you never told me you were coming here.
Oh, yes. That's to say that I have not changed from the Collins I used to be. I love to take people by surprise.
Jane, Collins here has been telling me the beautiful plans he has for both of you when you go back to America.
Yes, that is where we will be having our wedding. Coming soon.
Collins, please. What is wrong with you?
Oh, I'm sorry, okay? I totally forgot you don't like talking about it.
You never change.
Why should I? That's one of the traits that makes me a lively guy.
Well, I'm not surprised. Not at all. You're always proud of yourself.
The beautiful one, I came to take you out. I want us to go and have a lunch. What do you think?
I'm so sorry. I have a place to go.
Come on, Jane. It's been ages you guys saw each other. Why not give our friend here some minutes of your time today? Just today. I don't think he's asking for too much.
But...
Please. My princess, please, okay? I just want to take you out so that all the guys will envy me. Please.
Place to go today.
Yes. Send him in. Professor Gotuku.
Why? Nice meeting you, sir.
You know, Prof, I never really knew that you could still find your way to my office. It's amazing.
Oh, yes. It's been a while. You see, and I know you're a very busy man. You hardly keep contacts with your old friends.
Ah, that. You must forgive me.
No problem.
Yes, that's one dark side of me I must work on. Okay? Prof, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I'm glad you came. Yes. Now, high school.
School is fine. We are fully in charge there.
I guess you must be always the marshal, the VC.
Oh, yes.
And I hope you're still keeping eyes on my kids.
Yes, we are taking charge there. I came in respect of that.
I see.
Let's see. There is something disturbing that I need to tell you about, the news that maybe you wouldn't like concerning your son, Kenichi.
Kenichi.
You've been moody since you spotted that dude. Ignoring me in my presence. What's going on? Jane, who is that guy to you? Huh? I hope he's not someone I should be worried about. I'm talking to you, Jane. Answer me.
Collins, please. Please. Just let me be.
Jane, you've been saying this for years. Eh? I do not want to take it anymore. I came all the way from the States because of you. I want to make you my wife. Oh yes. I know there are other girls there that wanted me, but I do not care. You are the one that my heart yearns for. I've established businesses even over there and I still want to set up 1 or 2 in Nigeria here, just to make you comfortable. Because your comfort is my priority. As my wife, you enjoy me. Eh? What is the issue? What is the issue? I'm sorry, okay? Right?
I'm still wondering why you haven't been taking my calls. I have been calling you. Baby, I'm talking to you.
Are you going to keep asking me like you don't know why? Huh? No, tell me you don't know. Tell me you don't know.
I know where you're headed, but to tell you the truth, there is nothing behind it. Nothing.
Really?
Yes.
Nothing behind it. And I'm supposed to believe that. Huh? Like I'm a child, right? I should just believe anything you're telling me. Come on. Please, come on. I'm not a child. Okay, I'm an adult. I mean, that... Listen, if you want to be with that guy, just let me know. It's obvious. Okay, fine. It means we're not of the same class. Okay? He's a rich guy from a wealthy home. Probably studied abroad or something. He's the kind of person you should be with. I'm a poor guy who's just trying to make something out of my life. You want to be with him? Let me know. Baby, tell me to my face. Let me go. Baby, okay? It's simple. I'll just go.
Stop it.
Don't make me look stupid.
Stop it. What is wrong with you? What are you saying? What do you think of me? Did I not see him before I chose you? Come on. Listen, babe. I really love you. I have nothing with him. Absolutely nothing at all. I'm sorry for everything that happened. But to tell you the truth, my dear, there is nothing between us. You know I love you. And I will continue to love you forever. Baby, come on.
I love you too.
So sorry.
Kenichi, was that why I sent you to school? To go join some cult group?
Dad, I don't know what you're saying. I don't belong to any cult group.
Shut up. I say shut up! So your vice chancellor is now making up stories about you, right? Is that it?
Honestly, Dad, I don't know what that man wants from me. He has been against me, like practically against me, since I got into that school. Now he's trying to use cultism as ad hominem for a group he never agreed with.
Which group? Which group? Did I send you to the school to go start messing up with some useless group? Did I?
My love, why don't you verify this weird claim?
Verify what? Verify what? The professor the vice chancellor, cannot trammel up stories about my son, about my child. And this idiot knows that. Now listen. Until he explains to me why he got involved with those animals, I will make things hard and difficult for him.
What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the care that you showed me and the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? It's like
What exactly is going on here?
Dude, you've got some nerves, you know? Has anyone told you that something good comes out from cultism? I don't understand what you people are talking about. I don't belong to any cult group.
Oh, shut up. Just shut up. Shut your mouth.
oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. My father loves me. He loves me well. I say he cared for me. He loved me well. Now which can love be this, yo? The love is too much. Now which can love be this, yo? You love me, hella. You love me so tight. What make me come to wonder? You love me so tight. What make me come to think? Whether this love not true, whether not fake.
Good to follow up. How are you?
Hi. Hi.
Jane, what is going on? Huh? I proposed to you 2 days ago, and you said nothing. Worst of it all, you've been ignoring my calls since then. Jane, don't tell me it's because of that poor dude.
Well, I am sorry about that, Collins.
Jane, I came back for you. I told you that already. Why are you pushing me away again?
That's because I love him. I love Michael. I can't deny that.
Michael? That roadside mechanic? An illiterate that did not go to school? Is this a kind of a juju love or what? Come on, Jane. I know you are bigger than this. What attracted you to him in the first place? Huh? That roadside mechanic has nothing to offer. His prospect for a prosperous living is not looking so good. Can't you see that?
Please do not call him names. Don't. Because you know absolutely nothing about him.
No. You are the one that do not know a shit about him.
I know a whole lot about him. I see something in him that no one else sees. And if there's one thing I'm certain about him, is the fact that I really love him. Get that into your head, Collins.
You love me, you love me so tight. What make me come to wonder? You love me so tight. What make me come to think? Whether this love not true, whether not fake, whether this love not genuine, whether not fraud. Oh yeah.
Her Majesty.
Then you turn your back on me.
Prince Ekene has been in tears since morning. And when I try finding out what the problem is, he couldn't speak to me.
So where is he now?
He's in his room.
Okay.
What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the kid that you showed me?
Son? What is it? What is the problem? Talk to me, what happened?
Dad has completely shut me off school.
What do you mean by that?
Mom, he seized my car. My student ID. And even told the VC that he doesn't want to see me in school again.
What?
What happened to you?
Excuse me.
What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the kid that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? It's like I'm lost. I don't get it anymore.
Your Majesty, we must not allow Onowu to give order in this kingdom. In fact, who gave him the right to attend the Royal Fathers Summit when our king is still alive? Your Majesty, this is a disrespect to the throne. And I suggest that that title should be removed from him immediately.
All that is true. Even if the notice of the summit was given to him, he ought to have elected a king.
Exactly.
I know the circle of men behind all this, and they will fall.
They will.
The states gave you the recognition as the Igwe of Umucheke. And whoever is planning something different will definitely fail.
Exactly.
Thank you, my brothers. Those were actually compliments, and I thank you for coming to me. Thank you. I appreciate your coming. I have actually spoken with the Commissioner for Chieftaincy Matters, and he apologized profusely. Beyond that, I have given a royal proclamation that whoever steps out of line in future will be disciplined, will be severely sanctioned.
Bomb.
Okay? So that is no problem. I'm equal to the task.
Your Majesty, my problem with you is that you take the issues of this kingdom so lightly, and I don't like it. We chose you as our Igwe because you are a wealthy man who does not earn his living just being the king. Your businesses are spread across the length and breadth of this country, and your staff are feeding from your company. All I am saying is that whoever wants to tamper with royalty should be decisively dealt with.
You took the words out of my mouth. That was more or less what I just finished saying. This man here, this Igwe, is equal to the task. This is not a monkey Igwe. Anybody that falls out of line will be whipped in line. Either he's whipped in line or we throw him out. Thank you for coming. I appreciate your coming to let me know.
Thank you, Your Majesty. We'll be on our way now. We'll be on our way now.
This is my elder.
Thank you, Her Majesty. As beautiful as ever. Nice to see you.
Your Majesty, Ekene is a good boy. I don't know where he assumed this behavior in school. All the same, he's very wrong. But you're not right either. And shutting him out of school.
I'm not right. Is all you can say. Anyway, I will do more if I so choose. That boy's attendance in school is of no effect. There is nothing he brings home from school. Absolutely nothing. And I will not continue to keep him there.
Your Majesty, please reconsider your decision.
I have taken my decision. And it's final. Final.
What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the care that you showed me and the love that we share? What happened to you? What?
See those portions of land there. Communal land. Nobody monkeys with such. Nobody should tamper with it. Okay.
Dad, I was looking for you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Is there any problem?
Not at all. It's about Kene. I learned to shut him off school.
Yes, I did. And I hope you're not here to begin to talk about my reversing the decision. Because not even your mother could do that.
Dad, please.
The document I asked you to prepare, have you done it?
Not yet.
Good. Go ahead and prepare that document right away. I'm going to need it tomorrow. Well, go on.
My prince, please take things easy on yourself. Please. The king may resign his decision. But is it true you joined the court? I'm sorry. Greetings, Your Majesty.
My queen, lunch is served.
Eunice, I am not in the mood for food right now. I heard he has not eaten.
Yes, my queen. He looks to be in so much pain. Oh, my queen, he's crying.
Yes. He seems to be regretting his actions and wants to cut ties with the bad boys. But I've been trying to talk to his father. But in his usual way, he wouldn't listen.
My queen, of course you know that there's somebody in this world that could touch his mind. Why don't you use her?
What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the kid that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you?
Greetings, Her Majesty. Would you go to my bedroom upstairs and get me my phone?
Someone tell me what's going on. It feels like I am getting drowned. You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the kid that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what?
Hey, my yellow papa, come here. Come here, they talk to you. Here you go.
The way you command everybody in this palace, as if you are the king.
You don't know say that me be the king for this gate? I be majesty for this gate, so anything where they cross this gate, now my business. Where you they go?
The queen sent me on an errand.
Okay, what you say you may go do?
Am I supposed to tell you?
You not supposed to tell me. You know the yes and I may be your majesty for this gate? Anything where they cross this gate, now my business. They ask me whether I... Anyway, I want to make you go play bet for me.
Which one is bet again?
But you bumo. Hey, you don't know what to be bet for this yet age. Hey.
Mr. Noito, tell me now.
I go tell you. See, go Okuka shop. Tell her say make you take this 100 naira, take play bet for me. He know the one where they play. But one more, I don't want Crystal Palace. Because Crystal Palace, they too they lose game. At the they wait, self-maker, Worry Wolf, enter Premier League so that I go feed the win where those people, they're not they lose. So, make it play better game for me. You the yes, so 47 million. Now I go come from this. That our marriage, you know, so I promise you, so I go buy you Porsche. At the Rolls Royce where we go to do our wedding. Now this one, take, go buy and go play the game for me.
So...
Why you gonna laugh like this?
With this 100 naira, you want to get 47 million naira.
Hey, you don't know what did happen, no? Many people don't win 100 millions because of just 100 naira where they take play. And they tell you, even Oga Majesty self, by the time I win this thing, now me go come be proper Oga Majesty. If to say Oga Majesty no the house, let me for go play this thing, my 2.5. I for win this thing now. Go play this thing now. No, they waste. You don't want our wedding again?
I wonder why you men and some women stay at home and expect millions to come. So you want to get 47 million naira from this?
Hey.
Good luck. I'm going.
Hey, this girl you mumu.
Love is too much. Now which can love me this, yo? You love me, you love me Saturday, that make me come to wonder. You love me Saturday, what make me come to bingo. Whether this love not true, whether not fake.
Angie.
Daddy.
Oh, what's that in?
Wait
Small bowl.
Wait until I open it. You won't expect this, I tell you. Ta-da-da!
Yes.
Specially made nkwobi. From me to you, my beloved father. You like? Have a taste.
looks appetizing.
Do you like it? Father.
There is this inner taste in the sanctum of my mouth that has taken me back to my mother. The way my mother prepared it in those days and the way I liked it. That's what you have done.
Yes.
That's what you usually do. That's why I say you are my mother. Come back. Recognition of my mother.
I'm glad you liked it, Father. Honestly, I thought you wouldn't. You know, school actually took me away from you, and I blame school for that. But making this delicacy for you and you loving it gladdens my heart. Daddy.
Stop this.
Daddy, must you feed me always?
Not to have to stop this. This is great. Now tell me, my daughter, you're coming back, rushing from school, all the way from school to home to go prepare this special dish. There is always a cost. Always a price to pay for something like this. What is it?
Father, don't you trust me? I mean, do I have to do this because I want something from you?
The point is, you're doing this kind of thing now. I'm expecting something. And you usually do it when you want something from Daddy.
Okay, fine, I accept. Daddy, this is about Kenichi. He's really sorry for his actions and he's ready to cut ties with those group. Please forgive him. Please, Father. Please.
The love is too much. Now which can love be this? Yo, you love me, halalala. You love me so tight. What make me come to wonder? You love me so tight. What make me come to think? Whether this love not true, whether not fake, whether this love not genuine.
Where is Kenichi?
He's not here.
Jane?
Daddy.
Go call him.
The love is too much. Now which can love be this? Yo, you love me, halalala. You love me so tight. What make me come to wonder? You love me so tight. What make me come to think?
He's here, Dad.
Whether not fake, whether this love not genuine, whether not fraud.
You rascal. So you think you can blackmail me by refusing to eat? You have your sister Jen here to thank. You have her to be grateful to. I would have dealt severely with you. Now open that food and start eating. Go ahead. Go on.
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Meanwhile, when you get to school, I want to see that odious leader of your group.
It's alright, Dad. I'll try and get in touch with him.
Don't try. Do it. I want to see him today.
Fine. I'll call him.
Look at his head. Just like his mother's people.
And it's not like his father's people that are very ugly. Rather from his mother's people that are very cute and handsome.
Daddy, why are you eating like that? You don't want to use the cutleries?
Cutleries? I beg your pardon. These are what we call global cutleries.
So agreed.
I've never seen such love that is existing between a father and a daughter, like that of our princess and our king. I mean, how can your wife beg you for something and you refuse, only to agree immediately your daughter comes into it?
Was it not how he almost slept in the hospital simply because Princess Jane got sick? See, they have a serious bond.
As for me, I think the king doesn't love the wife. Period. Because if he does, he would have listened to her in the first place.
No, don't say such. I found out that the queen loves Kene just as the king loves Jane. He has even warned the mother before me to retrace from pampering Kene.
And he's not retracing from pampering his daughter, or does he? So he's 1-1.
Seriously, pampering or not is not a reason for Prince Kenneth to join school courts. I mean, court guys are mean and wicked. We've lost a number of young boys and girls to cultism.
Yes, so.
What is the gain? He better denounce for me too, because he brings scam to himself.
I am sure he will, as soon as the king has warned about that.
That's his business. She likes it.
Because I can't wait to aside. No?
And for what?
Does he consign you?
They want to have to assign him. Let's go. Let's go.
₦400,000. Use it and settle everything you need to settle. Use it and do whatever that needs to be done. I want this boy out of that your secret society. I sent him to school for many reasons. Joining my secret society is not one of the reasons.
Your Majesty, I've heard what you said. Though the group wouldn't want to lose him because he's an asset. But because of you, I will do just that.
if this money is not enough, if you ever think it's not going to be enough, tell me now.
Your Majesty, money will never be enough. Money will never be enough. But because of you, it will be enough.
All right then. So we take it that this business is concluded.
Consider it sealed.
Yes. Yes.
Kenneth told me what you did for him. Thank you so much.
There's no need to thank me. I did what every loving and responsible father should do for his son, right?
Yes.
That's what I do for each and every one of you. I want the best for you. And I'll be willing to fight anything that will threaten your future. Girl, there is something you're not doing right.
What is that, Father?
Getting involved with premature relationship. Trust me, girl, it's not right for you. I mean, can't you terminate this relationship immediately?
No, Father. I mean, why should I? I love Michael so much. Besides, he's not standing in the way of my studies.
Well, how are you sure he's not getting in the way of your education? You see, this thing is like a vermin, a virus. It kills gradually.
I know, Daddy, but certainly not Michael. I've known him for 3 years. 3 solid years. And I know how positively he has influenced my life. He's also very loving and caring.
3 long years. You've known him for 3 years, and I'm just getting to know about it today. Oh, come on, Jane.
No, I'm sorry, Dad. I was just waiting for the right time to tell you.
Jane, there is always a right time to start a relationship. That's a fact of life. Well, I'd like to meet him. Invite him to come and see the family tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Daddy. I will. Thank you.
Baby! Wow. Why is everywhere so dark? Oh. Babe? Baby! Oh. Of course you know.
I will.
Oh, baby. I love you more. This is so sweet. Me, who taught you how to do this? You're romantic. Love you more. This is beautiful.
Your Majesty, if you ask me, I think the next or 4 days will be better. Because we have to take our time to inform the Umada about this issue.
It changes the water. I think it's not necessary to invite the Umada. We are men, and we can handle this issue. I don't think there's any need to invite them. Your Majesty, that is my humble opinion.
Chief Ilo, it is in line with our tradition to inform the Umada about this issue. I don't know, except you want to change it.
Daddy.
Greetings, sir.
Daddy, this is my boyfriend, Michael.
Really?
Yes, as a matter of fact, he's my fiance. We just got engaged.
You don't say.
Yes, Mommy.
Wow, that's beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mommy.
I'll be right back. Please. Make him very comfortable, okay? Then,
Daddy.
see me upstairs.
Okay, Dad.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, Dad.
What's the meaning of that thing you said down there?
What exactly are you talking about, Dad?
Now, don't you ever play on my intelligence. Now, tell me you didn't mean it. Engaged? Are you insane, Jane? What exactly is wrong with you?
Father, why are you being so furious? It's not like I'm getting married today or tomorrow. I love him.
Now, shut up. And don't you dare talk when I'm talking. Now, listen. Listen very attentively. That thing you have on your finger, that stupid thing, that rubbish. Take it out now, go down, return it to him, and then end whatever it is you have going with him right now.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, Father. I will do no such thing.
What did you say?
I won't do it. I mean, I won't.
What's wrong with you? Are you out of your mind?
But I'm not out of my mind.
Honey, please. Just calm down. Just calm down. Honey, please calm down.
Now, calm down what? Did you listen to your daughter? Did you listen to her? And listen, did you look at your daughter's finger? That rubbish she has on her finger. Did you see it? And she has the effrontery to challenge me here.
Father, I am not challenging you. I'm only telling you the facts. I love that man. And yes, you're my father. You don't have any right to tell me how to live my life.
Honey, please. Calm down. Take it easy on her. Calm down. Just calm down. Just please. Calm down.
Please go downstairs, take your guests. Calm down, why will you do that? You know we'll have some guests downstairs. I beg you, calm down, let her just go.
And do what? And do what? Now that she has gone down, what has she gone to do? Is she removing that rubbish on her finger?
Nothing has gone wrong that cannot be fixed at this point. Please take it easy, just calm down. Everything will be fine. I think you're too hard on her.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you?
Baby, please, we have to leave now.
What's wrong? All is well.
Everything is alright, just get up. We'll go now. Please.
Jane, what's this all about? You guys just arrived.
Yes, bro, I know. I'll have to talk to you much later about it. Let's go.
No. This will not do. She must not leave this compound. Call her back. We need to settle this here and now.
My love, not now. Not now, I beg you. I can see you're very furious. And I fear for the worst. Let her step out for a while. Let her ease the steam. So that you two can calm down. I beg you.
That young man must not stay around her.
My love, just let me. Allow me to handle this.
All right. Ensure she comes back to her senses before nightfall.
I'll try.
Else, she will see the ugly side of me.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you?
You're still not saying anything.
Papa, what happened to the
Honestly, I do not want to talk about anything now. I don't want to.
What happened to you?
It seems the news of our engagement didn't go down well with your father.
I honestly don't care. Because he can't tell me how to live my life. It's my life we're talking about here.
I'm scared. Honestly, I'm worried.
What happened to you?
You don't have to be worried. I'll sort things out myself. I'll fix everything. Don't be scared.
It tastes like I am getting drunk. You are once a loving father.
Where is she? 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 Where is your daughter? Where is Jane? Where?
She has not returned yet and she has refused to pick her calls. I've been calling her.
How many times did you call her? How many times now? Okay, call her. Call her. Call her. Call her now. Call her. Yes?
No, she's not picking.
Give me. Pick this call. Pick this call. Pick it. Pick it.
What's going on?
I don't know. Ask your father. I don't know.
Then you hate me. Then you will hate me. I say you will hate me. Your sister will hate me. Did you hear me? I said your sister will hate me. Listen. Your sister will hate me. Did you hear me? Your sister will hate me.
gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your...
Honestly, Mom, I have not seen this side of that before. Dad is getting me scared.
Kene, your father feels betrayed by his beloved daughter. Above everything, I don't blame him the way he just reacted. That is what you get when you're obsessed with someone in love.
Of course. Nobody should blame Dad. Jane messed up. How could she accept proposals from that guy in this time? What happens to her education?
Does marriage stop people from going to school? If she truly loves this guy and he's capable of taking care of her, why would we stop them from getting married?
Shut up. Say what you know. Jane is a final year medical student. You like supporting Jane in whatever she does. She's wrong this time. Admit it.
I didn't see anything wrong in what she has done. Her happiness counts. If she's happy getting married to this man, so be it.
Shut up. Just shut up. You are annoying.
Protoni, don't shut me up again.
Are you talking to me like that?
Enough! Enough! I have enough headache already. Look at the way your father was screaming and yelling on top of his voice at me. You two will start? Don't you dare start now. Please.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you?
Wait a minute. Do you mean that good for nothing proposed to Jane and she accepted?
Not only did she accept, she brought him here and introduced him to our dad. And they left here shortly after that. Since then, we have not even reached her on phone.
I don't know what Jane sees in that poor guy. That good for nothing. Do you know what he does for a living? He's a roadside mechanic.
What? Are you sure of this?
I don't tell tales, bro. I know what I'm talking about. That good for nothing can barely feed himself. It's of no use.
So, Mazi, did you see the man that brings a Jembo to show the king?
Oh, yes, I see him. Very fine boy. If you see the boy, fine boy. He dashed me 1,000 naira.
Yeah.
Now I want to play my Arsenal and Chelsea. I don't win.
Are you aware your mother does not have a child at all?
What do you mean of that nonsense?
I mean that you don't have sense.
Moi?
Yes.
I don't get sense?
Yes. We are here talking about something important. You are here talking about odds and death. May the gods have mercy on you.
Now you God will get mercy on. Now you God will get mercy on. Now me the insult. What is my problem? The princess, he don't choose who he love when he won't marry. Me if I choose my 2.5 when I want to win millions. How could I go choose now? What kind of be this? Huh? Don't worry. Oh. This one why they play so. 94 mil. Now I go win. When I win now, man, we could not carry on now. What face near where I did? Particularly you where they toss my man not get picking. Go punish you. The only person I could just pity for now, okay. My love. When we go marry, American president go come. An American soldier and I go guide us. Not be now.
The king did not stop her from getting married or making her choice. Rather, he was of the opinion that she must finish her medical education before anyone can come. It's not a bad advice from my father if I must be very open.
For once, we now talk like people will get sense. Because Oga Majesty, I don't know what he they do. The person say he won't marry. The person way he like, he picky. So what he call concern where they say, you no go marry, I no go marry. Una get sense more for that area. But no na carry on our war face from here. Hey, go. Come here. No, sir, maybe the Oga Majesty forget you. See, you know, as I did here, the food one they give me today too small now. When I go find food from me, you know, see, when I eat well, I go to know how to play my 2.5. When I win, I feel change my mind.
Now you come. So, when are you going to win the money?
This one, you go see him now. I go soon go play and come. When I come, I go give him a small thing when I win.
First of all, share the one that the man gave to you now.
For waiting.
First of all, share now.
If I give you, wait, I want to play this. I'm gonna carry on and waffle for you. Idiot.
I don't see.
I won't manage, just manage you now. This one will be like a gamma lizard. Idiot. They tell me say my mama no get picky. God punish you. I know fear. Then make I play my look Newcastle. I know they play you. Chelsea, Arsenal, Liverpool.
Collins.
Baby.
Why did you confront my fiance?
Oh. He told you that? Come on, that dude is incredible.
Answer my question. Why did you have to confront my fiance? For what reason?
Well, baby. Okay.
Don't touch him. Do not.
Okay. I did not beat him. I just had a man-to-man chat with him. Come on, it's not a big deal, okay? Did he actually tell you that?
No, he didn't. You know why? Because he's a gentleman. A gentleman that sorts his way out without talking too much. But that doesn't make him too soft as you think.
That sounds impressive.
Leave us alone. Leave us be. I mean, what is wrong with you? I've told you times with that number that I am engaged to this man. I love him. He's going to be my husband. Let us be.
No. Did you hear what I said? I said no. I will not allow him marry you. I will stop that from happening. Did you get it? Yes. I love you. And I cannot stand to contest anyone coming close to you. Not even a nameless thing.
Nameless, you say? Well, it's very, very easy for you to say because you think you have achieved a lot for yourself. You are nobody, Collins. What are you? I mean, what do you think you are outside Senator Ken's dynasty? Absolutely nothing. What pride and prestige have you outside your father's success? Apart from this thing you call a boutique. What else do you think you have? Hey, I am here to warn you for the very last time. Stay away from us. Stay away from my relationship. Stay away from my life. Leave us be, for crying out loud. I am taken. Get that into your head.
You're drunk.
Please.
Did you say that to me? You said that to me, right?